Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Divi Breadcrumbs Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check on the description link and you will redirect here. Okay. So and otherwise you have to open your any search engine and search for Bloggingify store and open our store, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins and lots of Divi add-ons too. Okay, so here you can see in WordPress plugins, click on Divi and you will see all the Divi add-ons, and we have lots of things also on this store. So if you need anything else, so just you can purchase it. So in this video we'll talk about Divi Breadcrumbs. So let me just click on this Divi Breadcrumbs module. So here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Use it for one domain, updatability, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will activate your Divi Breadcrumbs with our original license key. Okay, so you will receive all the future updates. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, and other information, and select your payment method according to your needs, according to your country, and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.